going on, guys? Welcome back to the Moto Gang. From yesterday I started wrapping the BMW I8. Today is the second day, and then after remove the stuff I also make the video for that. It will come, and then I wrap the 30% of the car, like the fender and then bonnet or the wings and then side. So now I'm starting to wrap this side. So I started first from the door, and then so let's do it together, and then I will show you how to wrap the door. Before wrapping, I always clean the car with the alcohol 70%, and then mix it with the water. With the microfiber towel, I clean it. So before wrap, I have some towel I buy from the wrapping supplier company. It's like the have coat on it. It's easy to clean, and also film gonna slide and then lay much better. Cleaning the wrapping is really important. You have to always clean the car really well, so your result gonna be much clean and more better. The film I used is new color of the Avery Supreme. They call it energetic yellow. I really didn't consider that much color gonna stand out, and then if you see the those area I did wrap, really look like satin chrome. I really like that. So Avery energetic yellow. So let's do it. For wrapping the door, I always have the 2 or 3 ways. For the next door, other side, driver door, I will show you my other way too. So this car, all the body is the fiber and then plastic, so you cannot do the magnet. Best way, small part of the extra film, just stick it to the body so it can hold the other side of the film. And then always checking the film you cut enough or no. That's mine enough. So from the other side, just take the back paper like that and then stick the film to the body. Come to the other side. Very gently, slow, taking the packing paper. Okay. So now do it without any tension, just really relax now. You can see it's really flat and then ready to wrap. Wearing your application for wrapping glove. I always use it. The Pro Series paint is that. Actually, I am distributor of the Pro Series in Korea. So for the door, most of the door have the shoulder line like this. So started from that line. Started from this line. Always first make it two pieces after that line, down part and upper part. Started from the upper part. The car, you can remove the molding, just remove it. If you cannot, just put the masking tape on it, so when you want to cut the film, it's more safe. Like here, I did. I usually remove the molding, but the I8, removing the molding, a little bit risky because of the shape of the rubber behind the molding. Most of the time, if you remove it, shape gonna get different or bending. So better not remove it. Now I did squeegee and then lay the filling for the upper part. Now let's do it the down part. For the film like the A80 or TDM or other brand original one like the Oracle, Hexis, don't need you push squeegee too much, really relax. Things I forgot when I laid the film. Most of the time, for door is not really different, but for the other panel, really important. Never wrap the car like this, from the up to down. Just wrap the car from the left to right or right to left, this way. Okay, when you do this way, the film laying and then really sleep well on the edge or any panel, and then risk to lifting 0%. This is the most wrapper these days. They not just follow, they just lay, put the film and then lay it. So less than 5 minutes. So I will bring the camera to more closer and then show you. Okay, no any dust or anything, and then you can see how the film laying really perfect without any problem. That's what I'm talking about. So let's review one more time. Maybe after we remove the backing paper, okay, you guys, so I holding and then grab the film and then do this way, and then coming to the other side and then do the same things as the other way. So when you do this way, really trust me, risk for the lifting the film 0 and easy. You saw it, 5 minutes I wrapped all the door, finish. So So always when you want to start the wrapping, don't scare about the mistake or something between the wrapping happened. Everyone have it. Even who's really professional, always they do have. So don't give up, don't scare, just keep going. So now it's time to cut. For the cut like the I8, if you see from here have the one space between the rear fender and the door, so you can see inside the door. So we have to wrap it more inside and cover it inside more. Now I'm going to cut the film. For the cutting, depends to the car, but most of the car you can always break your knife before you start cutting. So making sure it's gonna be sharp and then cut it easy. Most of the car have a gap between each panel, so find this gap and then cut it. The I8 here is a little bit hard because have no gap, and then between that gap have some rubber. That rubber between the door and then front fender. Put your knife a bit out and then I want to show you how I find the gap. This is the gap between this one, and then I put my knife like this much out and then put it here this way, holding my blade to the other side and then coming down. Okay, and then you can see that all the cut is same and straight. The reason you have to do, when you bring your knife just a little bit, if you bring it too much, blade gonna moving. And then when you bring it this much out, so it's not moving, and then more safe, you're not cutting the body. And then when you're holding the blade, lay it to the other side, and then coming this side, helping you, your hand not moving, and then cutting really straight. Okay. And then after you did cut, with your finger, this way, like this. Everywhere. And then after that, just put this one and then cut it. That's the door finish. So I hope you guys like my video. And then the reason I'm showing the everything from the beginning, because I want to show you guys any single part of the wrap. So don't skip, just wrap it and then try it, do it more, don't give up. So everyone is like that. I hope you guys like my video, and then please comment below if you want some special part, for example door handle, side mirror. I will do it, but if you want, just let me know what you want, I will make it. And then please share my video and then subscribe my channel, that is important. I always thanks a lot and appreciate that about you guys support me here, Instagram, Facebook. Thank you so much. See you next time.